Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate WP Engine affiliate marketing for performance niches, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate WP Engine affiliate marketing for performance niches, start by creating an account on the WP Engine website. Once your account is active, log in to your dashboard. Navigate to the affiliate section of the site. Here, you will find information on how the affiliate program works. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. This will ensure you understand the program's guidelines. Next, fill out the affiliate application form. Provide all required information accurately. After submission, await approval from the WP Engine team. Once approved, you'll receive your unique affiliate link. This link is crucial for tracking your referrals. Now, focus on selecting your performance niche. Research profitable niches that align with WP Engine services. Consider areas such as web hosting, website optimization, or e-commerce. Create high-quality content that targets your chosen niche. Think about blog posts, videos, or social media updates. Integrate your affiliate link within this content. Ensure that it feels natural and provides value to your audience. Use compelling calls to action to encourage clicks on your link. Track your progress using the reporting tools provided by WP Engine. Monitor your clicks and conversions regularly. Optimize your strategies based on what works best. Consider scaling your efforts by promoting your content across multiple platforms. Engage with your audience through comments and discussions. Building a loyal following can enhance your affiliate success. Stay updated on WP Engine promotions or offers that you can share. This can help increase your commissions and attract more referrals. With consistent effort and strategic planning, you can excel in affiliate marketing with WP Engine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.